Did you know that 40% of a home's heat escapes through the glass in the windows and doors? Hi, I'm Lana from Renovations. I'm at a home that we've recently renovated, and we teamed up with Stegbar to make sure the home not only looked stunning, but was also energy efficient. We've used energy efficient glazing across these incredible oversized doors and panels. And let me tell you, the difference is huge. First up, this fixed light window and these sliding doors are not just about looks. They are low E performance glass, which means the glass has a special coating that reduces heat transfer. It was absolutely crucial to nail this for the west facing side of the house that laps up all that glorious afternoon sun. And the result? Cooler summers, warmer winters, and year-round comfort. And let's chat about these sliding doors over here. They open up to this cute little outdoor space, which really allows the breeze to flow through, and look at how tall they are. They're perfect for opening up this room to the outdoors, and they feature double glazing. That's 2 layers of glass with a sneaky spacer in between, which keeps the heat and noise out and the good vibes in. And we love this window here that looks to that outside space, and it's a great example of how you can have an oversized custom piece of glazing that's not only energy efficient but also looks great. Your windows and doors aren't just about the view, they're about how you feel in your home, and thanks to Stegbar, they're both smart and stylish. If you're ready to take your windows and doors to the next level, jump online and check out Stegbar's impressive range today.